In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the best ways to make money online. Now, what I like about this method and what I think you will like too is this is absolutely free to get started with. You do not need any skills or experience to get started with this, and I think you'll be genuinely surprised at how much money you can make with this. And we'll also be doing a little competition in this video. So what we're talking about and how can you get this up and running yourself? Well, look, if you watch this video till the end, I'll share with you some free resources for this and how you can get this up and running, and we'll also do, like I say, a little competition. So first of all, let's jump over onto here. So this here is a blog. Now, if you don't know what the difference between a blog and a website, essentially they are the same thing. The only difference is a blog is updated more regularly with content, whereby a website, something, for like, let's say a gardener or an electrician or a plumber, that would be a website. So they don't update it with content a lot. So a blog is essentially a website which is updated regularly with different articles and other bits. So how much do you think this blog here is making a month? Comment down below, and whoever gets the closest to the current number that we've got for this blog, I'll give you, any of my courses. You can pick which any one of those you want, and I'll announce a winner in the community tab. So this here is literally, as you can see, it's a blog about, funnily enough, blogging, about decorating and also organising. So how much do you think this blog earns this lady a month? Okay, I mean, it's just it's not hard to create one of these. It looks pretty standard to me. So how much are they earning? Well, let me go ahead and show you this. So the last amount of money that we know this lady here, this Abby, was earning, I'll just show you over here, was, come up here, keep coming up the page, she was earning, this was back in 2016, net income, $31,292 a month from blogging. It's just insane, isn't it? It really is. Now, if I come over here onto her actual blog, and you see up here where it says income reports, I just want to show you this so you can see, the progression of this. So scroll down the page here. So it started in 2014. That was a good first month, wasn't it? 2,400, 1,000, 8, 1,600, 6, 2, 3, etc. So from 2014 to $41,000 in 2016. This was the last income report that Abby produced over on her blog, and this was a few years ago. So this blog now, I fully expect, will probably be doing double this, if not close to 100k in my, guess. So this is one example whereby they're making a hell of a lot of money. Let me share another example with you. So see this one over here, this pretty dated looking website. I mean, like this one here, this hasn't been updated in 2020. That was the last post that this blog shared, was in 2020. Now if I come over here, again, this article was from 2016, but if I just scroll down here, just want to show you this very quickly, because this is when the website was just over 1 year old. Scroll further on the page. Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Where's he gone? No, not that one. Oh, goodness, sorry, I must have scrolled past it. Where's he gone? Travel blog. This one. Income bully. Look, so at the time, this was a little over 1 year old, and the blog was earning $3,219 a month. Now, if I come in here, you can see this was pretty much a year ago. How much was the blog earning a year ago? So let's just scroll down. In 2018, I finally hit six figures, $120,000 to be exact. In 2019, I did more, $160,000 to $170,000. And if I scroll up here, go back to the home page, you can see here, they've not put a post out in over a year. I'll share one last one with you. See this one here, this travel blog breakthrough? Look at this. They've not put a post up since 2018. And you can see, look here, the last post was published in April. That's 361 days since I last wrote for the travel blog. So this blog is still up on the internet. People can still access this, and they've not updated in a while. Now if I go back over here, you can see, let's go down and show you this, the travel blog. they was earning, yeah, look, travel blog, come down here, $2,983 a month, and now they've not updated. So if they haven't updated this blog in all of this time, why would they have it still up and running? Well, it's because of something called evergreen content. And what does that mean? Well, basically, in terms of blogging, once you've done the hard part, which is going ahead and creating content, blog articles, which isn't drastically that hard to do. You literally go ahead and you include a couple of pictures, you include some content, and you structure your article the correct way. Then these articles can be up on the internet, bringing you in evergreen traffic, which means you've done the work and people are constantly going to be landing on your blog. Now you can drive traffic to your blog in a number of ways. You can do this via something called search engine optimization, and that is basically when someone goes on Google and types something in, like best bikes for a toddler or best baby seat, best car seat, best kitchen knives, etc. That is known as search engine optimization. You can do this via social media like Facebook, Twitter, Quora, and there's so many different ways that you can drive traffic to a blog. But if I scroll down here, you can see how are these blogs earning money? Well, you see this here? This is an ad. This down here is an ad. So Abby, whose blog this one here is, she's earning money when these blogs are either shown up, when these adverts are shown up on the blog, or if somebody clicks on these. If I scroll down here in this article here, you can see it's not a massive article at all. It's literally, look, just scroll down here, look, Amazon. So she's partnered up with Amazon, and she earns an affiliate commission from Amazon. Scroll further on the page, there'll be other links out to, different products, but the majority of this here will be from Amazon affiliate marketing. And this is how it works. You create content, you include your affiliate links, and because you've done the work once, and you're not going to take this down, obviously, you can be earning years from articles, 2, 3, 4, even like 6 or 7 years down the road, you can still be getting money from the work that you've done once. So in a lot of ways, it is, a true passive income because you've done the work once and it's up and ranking for you. So if you wanted to go into this route yourself, how could you do this? Well, you could go and spend thousands on, different courses and get the best hosting and all this other stuff. But look, if you want to start this from the beginning and learn about this the correct way for free, there's a link down below. Go ahead, click on there. It'll take you over to this page over here. This website here is called Wealthy Affiliate. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, especially with a blog, this will show you how to do it. This platform here you can see designed for affiliate marketers of all levels, whether you're just getting started or have some experience, this will show you how to do this. And as mentioned, it's free and they will also give you your own first blog. Now over here, it walks through the entire process from start to finish. You can see here, transform your ideas into profits. So you can go through this process here. Then they'll give you, literally, you can see here, a website with no design skills needed. It says here the process takes less than 30 seconds to build a beautiful blog. Realistically, I'd say you're going to be talking about 10 minutes. So you go through, you pick a theme or a template that you like, and then you change a few bits on there, and then it's yours, it's up and running. Once you've got your blog, they then show you strategies, you see here, to attract lots of traffic. And again, they walk you through everything you need to know, and then there's different affiliate partners that you can, work with. But let me quickly show you inside of this Wealthy Affiliate. So if I click on here, this is inside of my Wealthy Affiliate account here. So in here, on the dashboard here, once this loads up in a second, look, you can see this was posted. Oh, it's just changed again. Look, 20 minutes ago. Today is the first day of the rest of my life, so I'm guessing this is someone who's just come into Wealthy Affiliate. Over on the right hand side here, there's people asking questions. So if you have any questions here, you can just post them here in the community and they will go ahead and answer the questions for you. And look, you can scroll down here and you can see people are sharing the content in here. Look, growing your Bing ads. What's this? First site index on Google. So there's lots of stuff happening inside of here. You can go ahead and look at this, using Google Analytics to improve your content. Introduction to content for search engine optimization. And look, if you're looking at this thinking, oh, well, this looks a bit overwhelming and stuff, then you don't need to worry, because literally all you do here is, you see at the top where it says training? Click on there and you can go through, look, you can go through this one, there's an affiliate bootcamp and lots more in here. But just walks through everything you need to know about making money, specifically with a blog and affiliate marketing. but it's not difficult to do. Most things online when it comes to making money, they're not difficult. People give up because A, they either don't learn the correct way to do something, or B, they're just not consistent. But this platform over here, they will give you all of the tools and resources that you need to be successful. There's a built-in community, so plug in, get people, ask people questions, ask for advice, and go through the training. And in a year from now, you could be earning some decent money. I mean, if we go back over here to this one here, I mean, look at this travel blog. A little over a year, they were earning over $2,000 a month. If I scroll further up the page here, this one here, incomebully.com, look, again, a little over a year, was earning over $3,000 a year. So would you put in some time and effort now to be earning, $3,000 a month from, work that you've done previously? I know I do, and I definitely will do. And this 3,219, compared to a lot of blogs, this is on the low end. As you saw here in this income bully that we looked at earlier, he went on from earning 3,000 a month to up to 100 and what was it, 120? I can't remember. What was it? Where has he gone? Where's he gone? Yeah, it went up to 120,000, then it went to 160 to 170,000. So yeah, look, that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you got any comments or questions, let me know. But drop your comments down below. I'd really appreciate that. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.